for it. Open the door.
What do you say?
Open the door.
Try harder. Open the door. What's that? Okay. Is that what you want me to do? How you doing? Let me see your hand. Let me see your other hand. Step back.
I ain't got no damn weapons if that's all you're worried about.
Okay, that's what I'm worried about, okay?
Hey,
Hey.
relax.
Relax.
All right, I'm relaxed.
Relax.
Relax. I'm not, no.
Relax. Okay?
All right.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Okay. All right. All right. I surrender.
You ain't got no choice.
Hey, what about these other guys? They were making threats on my life. What about them?
Okay, just relax. Just lay down for a minute, okay?
Oh, sure.
Just what are you looking for? Just making sure you don't have any other weapons on you, sir.
What kind of weapon am I supposed to have?
I don't know, sir. Why don't you roll over for me?
Oh, you guys are all right, aren't you? Yes, sir. I can see it now. Well, did you find any weapons?
No, sir, I sure didn't.
Well, better luck next time.
We found one outside, though.
Huh?
We found one outside.
What kind of weapon outside? I don't know how it got there. Don't ask me. If it hasn't got my name on it, I don't know what it is.
Really?
Ask me.
I think it has your name on it.
What's my name then? If it's got my name on it.
Jim?
What?
Jim?
What else?
Jim, slide over this way. Just sit up for me. Just sit on your rear end there.
Did you forget your canvas overcoat? This straight jacket?
You assaulted somebody with a deadly weapon.
No, I just wanted to let Lisa know how she over me
Okay. Why'd you go there with a knife?
to defend myself.
Well, you can't do that, Jim. Okay?
Oh, goody two shoes for you.
Okay. All right, Jim. We need you to stand up, okay?
How can I stand up?
We'll help you. We're going to help you, Jim. We're
What do
gonna
I look like? A helicopter or something?
No.
Well,
Come on, let's walk. Let's walk outside.
how about my wallet? How my possessions? What about my key rings?
We'll get
Got your wallet. We got your keys. Go lock your door.
So you make a public spectacle out of me?
He kicked in the door, broke the door in, threatening. Yeah, he said he wanted to cut every one of them up.
You just said to me before.
All right.
Yours, fine. Listen,
All right, have a seat. Sir, get in. Sit down.
would you mind stop shoving me so I can sit down? Sit down. Damn it.
What's your foot?
Yeah.
Man, we got two people over here. Who's the, I think your victim is here for a second. Okay. Who's the victim here? You are?
What exactly happened, honey?
Want me to say why I was sitting there?
If you can't get up, I don't want to get up. No, I just want to talk to you about what happened here.
I got warrants. I don't want to talk.
Oh, I'm not going to arrest you for your warrants. Sorry. That's not why we're here.
Now, excuse this house.
No problem.
I was sitting right here on the phone. I was sitting right here on the phone. I mean, the phone was sitting right there. And he came. My door was closed up. I was sitting right here playing music, talking to my daughter. Yes, I know somebody came in. And I looked up. It was him. When he pushed my door in.
Was your door locked when he came in?
No.
Okay, you just opened it up.
He broke my door.
Okay. He actually came inside your residence?
He stepped right there where my daughter's standing there.
Okay.
He was walking over here. And I said, he got that big old knife. I just got the phone and started calling 911. I was shaking. I said, this man here with a knife, and he said, I'm gonna cut your head off, you whore. And he was finna walk over here, and my boyfriend grabbed the broom. When I said 911, he go out the door.
How was he holding the knife? Was it down low? Was
He
it
was
up
holding that
high?
knife. How you holding that knife? Down like this?
You guys not take me in that damn
Are you all right?
station. Of course I'm all right.
Okay, how much you been drinking tonight?
Why should I? You know it all. Why should I tell you?
I'm asking you. How much?
Nothing.
You ever drink a thing?
Nothing.
Have you used any narcotics tonight?
Yeah.
What'd you use?
LSD, PCP, heroin, cocaine. What else you want to know?
Nah, I just have some questions for you.
Take me in.
We will in a second, all right? Just relax there for a second.
What are you doing? You ask those damn black asses my whole life history.
So why you gotta be racial?
I like to be racial. That's my right under the Constitution.
Okay. All right, sir.
Oh,
You sit
shit.
tight, all right?
Take me in.
You're gonna have to hang tight. We'll take you in when we're ready to.
I know my rights under the law. It's called the Mann Act.
Governor Lonnie's gonna go ahead and take her. Investigations he needs to deal with. And
He is being arrested for assault
Oh,
with a weapon.
shit.
We will file criminal charges with him with the district attorney's office, and hopefully they'll file a complaint on him, and he'll do some time for the damage that he did, because he does have a potential for violence.